Have you ever wondered what it is like to be a student of journalism and mass communication? Come, let's find out.
Hi everyone, my name is Risha Bhatia, a second year journalism student from Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, Technical Campus, popularly known as WIPS. So I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication degree in Delhi, and today I will take you with me on my day at WIPS. But before we go any further, let me show you how I usually commute to college.
So I end up taking the metro to college, and from Pitampura metro station I take an e-rickshaw which usually drops me to campus in just 20 rupees, and it takes around 10 minutes. WIPS has 3 entry gates, and we are entering campus from gate number 1, and this is my student ID card, and we need to scan it to enter the college premises.
So currently it is 10 am as I am in second shift. My classes usually start around 11 in the morning, and since I have reached campus early, I will first head to the library to finish my readings and do a bit of research for my advertisement assignment.
Finally got done with my assignment, and now it is time for my first lecture of the day, which is of corporate communication. In the class we learn about the basics of corporate and corporate communication, brand identity, brand image, brand reputation, media relations, and much more of the corporate world. And today in the class we had a group discussion on brand identity, which turned out to be very interesting and fruitful. So now it's time for my next lecture of the day on public relations, which covers basics of public relations, role and its importance, PR agency to PR in different sectors.
3 hours later, I finally have a 50-minute break and I'm feeling really hungry. So let's head to WIPS Cafe to check out what's on the menu today.
We have 2 main canteens and 3 kiosks of Amul, Nestle and a beverage shop. So today we decided to grab a cold coffee, cigar rolls, Subway and a cold drink. And if you want a recommendation from our canteen, I would highly suggest you to get yourself cigar rolls and a cold coffee from Amul. Before I head to the class, let me show you something. Our department has a legacy of over 20 years, and this wall here recognizes a few names that have made their mark. Till date, our department has had 9 gold medalists. Right now, the department is home to over 900 students. I love the energy of this campus, and I like to imagine the great minds that came here before me. It keeps me motivated and keeps me focused.
But beyond the academics, the campus life is quite vibrant. We always have something or other thing happening on the campus, be it lectures, conferences or workshops. The journalism department also has number of societies, from photography society to advertisement, from print appreciation to debate society. Beyond our department, we have centralized theatre, dance, music, literature societies at WIPS. Each year around November, our department organizes a mega media festival called Spandan that every student of WIPS awaits.
And now, my last lecture of the day is of television programming and production. This is usually a 2-hour class, and these lectures are fascinating. We learn about handling professional shooting equipments and understanding pre-production, production, and post-production. We always end up picking something new from these lectures.
So I'm done with my classes for today, and it was a tiring yet an enjoyable day where I was able to learn something new. And this was my day as a journalism student at WIPS. I hope you enjoyed watching it. This is Risha Bhatia signing off.